Good morning, class 8. Welcome back to your biology classroom once again. Today I am going to start chapter 6, circulatory system in humans. Actually, by mistake, I have completed chapter 5 for second term. That's why I am leaving the exercise. I will do it later. So let's start the chapter 6, which actually come in first term. You have learned in class 6 that human beings have a well-developed specialized system to transport nutrients, gases and hormones within the body. This system is known as the circulatory system. So actually what is the function of circulatory system? Circulatory system actually regulates the transportation of nutrients, gases and hormones within the body. You have also learned about various parts of circulatory system, namely blood, blood vessels and heart. So circulatory system is basically consist of blood, blood vessels and heart. Blood is a fluid connective tissue. Blood circulates and transports essential substances such as oxygen and nutrients to the cell all over the body. It is composed of plasma and blood cells. So blood actually one kind of fluid connective tissue and consists of blood plasma and blood cells. There are three types of blood cells or corpuscle. So blood cells are also known as corpuscles. So there are three types of blood cells or corpuscles. They are red blood cells or RBC or erythrocytes, white blood cells or leukocytes, and blood platelets or thrombocytes. So student, you will learn the another name also. RBC or erythrocytes, white BC or leukocytes, and blood platelets or thrombocytes. RBCs are red in color because of the presence of red color iron protein called hemoglobin. So due to the presence of hemoglobin, RBC is red in color because hemoglobin contains iron. WBCs are larger than RBC and do not contain hemoglobin. So they are colorless. Blood platelets are colorless, disc-shaped cell without nuclei. So basically, in case of platelets, nucleus basically are absent. Blood are carried throughout the body inside hollow tube-like structures called blood vessels. So inside our body, blood just move here and there through the tube-like structure. These are also known as blood vessels. Basically, blood vessels are hollow. Blood vessels are three types: arteries, veins, and capillaries. So blood vessels are three types: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries are thick-walled, elastic, muscular vessels that carry blood away from the heart to the different body parts. So what is the function of artery? Artery possesses thick-walled, elastic and muscular blood vessels which actually carry the blood from heart to the different parts. So what is the function of artery? मतलब हार्ट से ब्लड पूरा बॉडी में फैलने का काम कौन करता है? आर्टरीज. Vein are thin-walled vessels with valves that carry blood towards the heart from different body parts. So vein actually help to carry deoxygenated or waste blood, actually कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिच ब्लड फ्रॉम बॉडी सेल टू द हार्ट. मतलब पूरा बॉडी से डीऑक्सीजेनेटेड ब्लड को कैरी करके हार्ट में वापस लेके आता है कौन? वेन. एंड ऑल्सो पॉजेस valve. Capillaries are the fine blood vessels connecting arteries with vein. So actually at first clear the function of three type of blood vessels. Artery help to carry the blood, oxygen rich blood from heart to the different body parts. Same way, vein actually carry the deoxygenated blood from the each and every cell to the heart. And also possess valve. Valve actually control the backflow of the blood. Same way, What is the function of capillaries? Capillaries actually connect the arteries and vein. The human heart. Structure of heart. The heart is pear-shaped muscular organ located in the chest cavity. Your heart is roughly the size of your clenched fist. मतलब अगर हम लोग अपना हाथ को मुट्ठी कर ले तो प्रॉपरली हार्ट का साइज भी वैसा ही होता है. An adult heart is about 12 सेमी in length and 9 सेमी in breadth. तो 12 सेमी लंबाई में और 9 सेमी चौड़ाई में. It weighs about 300 grams only. So you should learn the length, weight and weight also. So basically हम लोगों का हार्ट जो है अपना मुट्ठी के हिसाब से उसको वेट करेंगे, जिसका वेट है 300 ग्राम्स, उसका लेंथ है 12 सेमी एंड ब्रेथ है 9 सेमी. द वॉल्स ऑफ हार्ट आर मेड ऑफ cardiac muscles. Wall of heart actually made of cardiac muscles, which work tirelessly to keep it working throughout the life. जो बिना थके हुए पूरा जीवन भर काम करता ही रहेगा. The heart is enclosed in a double layered sac called pericardium. इसको नीचे दाग लगाना और याद भी करना. So the heart is located in a double layered membrane or sac. मतलब heart is enclosed by double layered sac which actually known as pericardium and which is filled with pericardial fluid. So between the two layer there is a fluid that is also known as pericardial fluid. So what is pericardium? Heart is enclosed in double layer sac जिसको हम बोलेंगे pericardium. Between the double layer there is a one kind of special fluid. This fluid is also known as pericardial fluid. The fluid protects the heart from shocks and jerk during contraction. So what is the function of the pericardial fluid? Pericardial fluid actually protect the heart from the jerk and different types of shock during contraction. मतलब हार्ट जब खुद को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर रहा है, हम लोग ऑक्सीजन को मतलब अंदर की तरफ खींच रहे हैं. तो कॉन्ट्रैक्शन की तरफ अगर शॉक या डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ जार्क महसूस ना हो, ये बात ध्यान में रखता है कौन? पेरिकार्डियल फ्लूइड. इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ हार्ट. द हार्ट हैज 4 चेम्बर. ऑल ऑफ यू नो, 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. All these chambers are separated from each other to prevent the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. In addition, there are great blood vessels, septum and valves. So actually, what is the function of septum and valves? Basically, septum and valves separate 2 auricles and ventricles from the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. So basically, 2 auricle और 2 ventricle में blood mix up ना हो, ये बात मतलब कंट्रोल करता है कौन? Septum and valves. So look at the sectional figure of heart. हार्ट का नॉर्मली हम लोग ऐसे देखेंगे पिक्चर, तो उसको अगर हम सेक्शन कर लें, सेक्शन ऐसा रहेगा. सो लुक एट द फिगर. फर्स्ट सुपीरियर एंड इंफीरियर वेना केवा, जिसके द्वारा नॉर्मली डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड हार्ट में घुस रहा है. नेक्स्ट राइट ऑरिकल एंड अगेन राइट वेंट्रिकल. सेम वे लेफ्ट ऑरिकल एंड लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल. हियर इज अ ट्राइकस्पिड valve. Here is a bicuspid valve, again a aortic valve, semilunar valve. These are the common sectional figure of heart. So let's start. Chambers of heart. Auricle. The receiving chambers. Auricles are the upper chamber of heart. They have thin wall. They receive blood from different parts of the body. These are also called atria. So auricle actually blood को पूरा deoxygenated blood जो शरीर से वापस आता है auricle में घुस जाता है. auricle उसको स्टोर कर लेता है. They have thin wall. they receive blood from different parts of the body. They are also known as atria. Ventricles, the discharging chambers. Ventricles are the lower chamber of the heart. They have thick wall, they pump blood out of the heart. So actually what is the function of ventricle? Ventricle heart से blood को पूरा शरीर में pump करता है, इसीलिए ventricles have thick wall. Next, septum. Septum, blood flows from the auricles to the ventricle. It does not flow from one auricle to another auricle or from one ventricle to another ventricle. This is because of a thick muscular wall present in between them. This wall is called septum. So actually what is the function of septum? Septum actually protect the mixing of blood between two auricle and two ventricle. Because blood flows from one auricle to another auricle or auricle to ventricle. So ऐसे blood mix up ना हो, ये मिक्सिंग होने का काम मतलब मिक्सिंग बंद होने का काम करता है कौन? सेप्टम. दिस इज द वॉल, मस्क्यूलर वॉल प्रेजेंट बिटवीन द auricle and ventricle. Septum separates the heart into the left and right side. So septum normally heart को right and left side में पूरा बांट चुका है. The auricles are separated from each other by interauricular septum. So दो auricle अपने आप interauricular septum के द्वारा separated है. The ventricles are separated from each other by interventricular septum. So actually which kind of muscular septum separate two auricle? They are interauricular septum, and ventricle जो septum के द्वारा एक दूसरे से separate है उसको बोलेंगे interventricular septum. So student, hope all of you understood what I've discussed in this video. So for today, up to this portion.